So our program format is really designed to help students who want to demonstrate that they can handle a rigorous science curriculum to medical or dental schools. And so we've designed the curriculum around the curriculum of Tufts Medical School.
The courses here at Tufts, they're very rigorous, but to me they're really interesting. And I believe that because they're so rigorous, they're helping me prepare for medical school.
It really gives you a well-rounded foundation. So when you do go to medical school or dental school, you have this ability to condense the information that they're giving to you and really understand it well, but also synthesize it down into bite-sized pieces so that you yourself as a student can, have a great grasp on it.
And really, students are being assessed at the same high academic standards that students are assessed at the medical school. So it really demonstrates to both medical and dental schools that prospective students for the MBS program can handle those rigorous course loads. So at the beginning, we go through foundational sciences. So we've got cell biology, we've got genetics, we've got biochemistry, and then we start building as the coursework progresses through the semester by adding in more different systems approaches. So we bring in histology, we bring in immunology, we bring in microbiology. And so we're layering on top of that foundational program that we have in our fall semester. Now, when we move into the spring semester of the MBS program, we take a systems approach, which is very similar to what medical schools and dental schools are doing as they are shifting their curriculum, is that systems approach. So that when we're in anatomy and we're working on our cardiovascular system, our heart and our lungs, we're going over the same material in both the physiology course as well as the pathology course. And that continues through the other systems.
In the beginning, we learn cellular biology and then biochemistry, and then we go into histology, so we have a really strong foundation of how cells work, and then that leads into histology where now you understand why these tissues look a certain way. And then in the spring semester we have pathology, which is perfect because you get the foundation from histology and then understand how disease presents in certain tissues.
Yeah, I'd say I definitely agree. I think for me, we had genetics, biochem, and cellular biology all together, and I think it was really nice how they did it because then you kind of understand, and as you mentioned, histology, you start to see what actual cells look like and different parts of the body and what it's looking like while these things are happening.
And so it really brings in that framework of understanding the different things behind that system, whether it's the anatomy or the physiology, and all that is scaffolded off the basic biochemistry and cell biology that we had in the first semester. So that really helps students with learning. The courses aren't all lecture-based. We have different modalities that we use for teaching in these different courses. We bring in things like flipped classes, where students will watch usually a 15 or 20-minute video on the basic, course material, and then in the class session, it's more question and case-based. We also use a lot of small groups, courses like immunology, microbiology, and biochemistry. Really use those small groups to help cement the material as well. So we try and use different modalities because they've been shown that when students